Installation video for our dual monitor wall mount. Wood stud mounting option. With a stud finder, locate the stud and center the wall mount on the stud at the desired height. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, mark the center of the mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 3/16" drill bit and drill on the marked locations. Secure the wall mount to the wall using the provided lag screws and washers, then tighten the screws until secure. Place the decorative covers onto the mount to cover the heads of the lag screws. Concrete or brick mounting option. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the wall mount to the desired location on the wall and mark the center of the mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 3/8" drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 2.4 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert the provided concrete anchors. Secure the wall mount to the wall using the provided lag screws and washers, then tighten the screws until secure. Place the decorative covers onto the mount to cover the heads of the lag screws. Assemble the arm. Insert the mount arm into the wall mount, then partially tighten the set screw so that the arm cannot be removed from the joint. Insert the spring arm into the arm joint, then partially tighten the set screw so that the arm cannot be removed from the joint. Separate the visa plates. Loosen the bolts on the side and bottom of the visa mounts until the visa plate separates from the sliding bracket. Attach the rails. Slide the brackets from the visa mounts onto each of the horizontal rails in the orientation shown here. Place the horizontal rails onto each side of the spring arm. Secure the horizontal rails using the provided bolts and tighten until secure. Attach the handle. Insert the end of the handle into the hole near the center joint, then tighten the set screws to secure the handle in place. Attach the visa plate to the monitor. Select the appropriate size mounting bolts and washers for your display's mounting holes. Then secure the visa plate to the monitor using the selected bolts. Hang the monitors onto the visa mounts, then tighten the side bolts first, then the bottom bolt to secure the monitor to the mount. Weight balancing the gas spring arm. To properly balance the arm with monitor mounted, adjust the spring tension using the supplied Allen key as follows. First, position and firmly hold the arm horizontally as shown. If the arm drops, turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise towards the plus sign until it stays in a horizontal position. If the arm rises, turn the adjustment screw clockwise towards the minus sign until it stays in a horizontal position. Cable management. Remove the cable management covers from the underside of the mount arms, sliding the covers forward toward the visa plate, then away from the arm. Run any cables beneath, then reinstall the cable management cover. Final adjustments. To adjust the spacing of the monitors, loosen the knobs on the back of the visa mounts, move the screen into position, then tighten the knobs again.